Warm welcome to everyone in my class. Today we'll discuss idioms and phrases for competitive exam. There are 10 examples which I will explain now. Bite the bullet. Bite the bullet means sometimes I will give you example like a soldier is serving for a country. He is in a difficult situation. He is facing a difficult situation with courage so that and resilience so that he can win the battle. His actual meaning is to endure a painful or difficult situation with courage and resilience. And the example which I have given just to remember it. Break the ice. Break the ice means something that is deadlocked between two parties and a conversation is needed so that social interaction should be done so that the matter can be solved. Barking up the wrong tree. Pursuing a mistaken or misguided course of action or belief. An example over here is that a policeman is searching the wrong place to identify the cause or detecting the wrong place to identifying the issue or the case. Under the weather, feeling unwell or sick. The person is feeling unwell or sick. In that case, we use the word under the weather. Piece of cake, something that is very easily or effortless to accomplish. Means the work is very easy or effortless to work. There at that time we say that it is like a piece of cake. That work is like a piece of cake for me. Cost and arm and length means that something that is very expensive and costly means if I buy a five-star building it will cost me an arm and a leg. That is the meaning of the word idioms. To take up the gauntlet means to accept the challenge. This idioms means to accept the challenge. He changed his job and was out of frying pan into fire. This condition signifies that his condition has been changed from bad to worse. He thought that he has changed his job. Now, after changing his job, he is not getting a good job, and now his condition is getting from bad to worse. Beat around the bushes to avoid addressing the issue directly. The teacher is not pointing out the exam topic, rather than he is going around the subject which is not relevant for the examination. That what I want to explain you right here.